Hello guys, as usual, this is Genetic. You are going to see how you can connect your telephone, your mobile telephone, Android, to your desktop or your laptop. It's very easy. Keep watching. Keep watching. First of all, go on your computer and click after this, you will find the screen which seems to be like this. After that, you have to go on your Android smartphone. Go to screen first. Screen first is here. You shall see if you don't take this page. After that, click on robotic this page. You will find it loading. Like this. You have to wait. You can see the Android smartphone there on your screen. So guys, this is how to connect your Android smartphone to your computer or to any TV or any smart TV or projector. So clicking on YouTube, you shall see, for example, this Shadowtech. After clicking Shadowtech, you shall see it on your Android smartphone. You shall see these videos. You can see it there on your screen. Guys, this is very easy. Try it from today. It's very easy. You have to try and you will tell me the result. Thank you for watching. I'd like just to ask you to subscribe. Don't forget even to share. Don't forget just to do everything. So guys, thank you. See you on the next video. I shall do another video which is very fantastic like this. Thank you for watching.